The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.
Hi, I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. The Nevada Department of Transportation and the RTC are continuing to make improvements in transportation in the North Valleys. And Meg Raganese from NDOT is here to give us an update on some of those improvements. Thanks for meeting with us, Meg, and tell us about the North Valleys.
It's really about keeping drivers safe and connected. We at NDOT are installing wrong-way driver detection and freeway ramp meters on 395 in the North Valleys.
And tell us how these ramp meters work.
Great question. So ramp meters, Annie, are essentially signals placed at the base of freeway ramps with red and green lights. Drivers stop at the red and then merge onto the freeway at the green. By more effectively metering the flow of traffic entering the freeway, it makes travel safer and more mobile.
Now, will these wrong-way driver signs also make the freeway safer?
Absolutely, that's the goal. So we place wrong-way signs in all of our freeway ramps already to help reduce the chance of a driver entering the freeway in the wrong direction. This first-in-the-state system that we'll be activating will actually detect by radar vehicles entering the freeway in the wrong direction. The system will light up those wrong-way signs as well as notify emergency first responders also.
Fantastic. Now, when will these signals go into effect and be active?
Motorists will see the ramp meters and wrong-way driver detection system activate over the coming months, and there's also more improvements to come as well, Annie. We will be widening southbound 395 from Lemon Drive to North McCarran in coming years as well.
Well, fantastic. Lots of great improvements for the North Valleys. I'm sure every resident out here will be very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you'd like to learn more about these ramp signals, you can always go to nevadadot.com to find out more information. And of course, rtcwashoe.com is a great place for you to also find information about our area. Join us on Facebook and Twitter. I'm Annie Woods for The Road Ahead with RTC. This is your RTC.
The Road Ahead, sponsored by RTC.